Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ifisimi Show. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare simple jollof rice. Let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm gonna use: fresh tomatoes, fresh fish, onion, olive oil, ginger, salt, Ifisimi curry, rice. Now the rice have already parboiled, so as you can see, just finish frying the fish. Please, if you like this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell. To you all my lovely subscribers, I say thank you all. May God bless you. And if you have not subscribed in this channel, please do subscribe. After frying the fish, I will now remove the oil that I used to fry the fish, then add fresh oil. So after that, I'm going to fry the fresh tomatoes, but I'm not going to fry it much. I do not blend the tomato. I like the kind of rice that I'm cooking. I like to use the tomato slice. So you stir. After stirring, now I'm going to add the combination of olive, fungi, carrots. As you can see, this is the combination of fungi, olive, carrots, and other vegetables. So I stir. After stirring, I'll add Maggi, 1 cube of Maggi. After adding Maggi, I'll now add salt and Ifisimi curry. After that, I'll add little onion, then stir together. After that, I'll add the fish stock. This is the fish stock. I'll add it. Then stir. I will allow it to cook like 3 minutes. After that, I'll add the rice. I have already boiled the rice, washed, so I'll add the rice. After that, I will stir everything together. Simple jollof rice in my own method. After that, I cover the pot. So now I will add another onion. After adding the onion, I will add liver that I sliced small with carrots. I'll add it. Then stir small. I will not turn it for it not to burn. So that's why I'm just turning it in this way. After that, I will cover the pot to cook. Then, as you can see, the jollof rice is ready. I'm adding the fried fish on it. Fried fish. This is delicious. I can't wait to eat this. It looks so yummy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Ciao.